Ukraine will prevent Russian drones and missile attack via US Sentinel radars. Sentinel short-range radars are designed to track ballistic missiles. Ukraine wants to get them to protect the energy infrastructure. Politico writes about it. This request is related to Kyiv's concern about possible further attacks on energy infrastructure by Russia. Sentinel short-range radars are designed to track ballistic missiles, slow-moving drones, airplanes, helicopters and other objects, the publication writes. It is noted that according to Ukraine's statement, these radars can provide more coverage for those parts of the country that suffer from Russian strikes daily. So this request is crucial to survive the winter. Radars can also be used to protect factories where Ukraine plans to produce its own weapons. According to the report, Ukraine explains its desire to obtain these radars by expectations of a tough winter season as its government is bracing for Russia's strikes on infrastructure. The US Secretary of Defense visited Kiev on November the 20th, where he met with Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky and Defense Minister Rustem Umerov. Later, Austin announced provision of a new package of military aid to Kiev worth $100 million. According to the Ukrainian media, Austin said in Kiev that there is no weapon in the US's arsenal that would become a magic wand for Ukraine. Instead, Kiev is in for an exhausting struggle and everything will depend on how Ukraine would use weapons provided by the West.